Hi everyone, my name's Matt. I'm part of the Xero API team, and today we're just going to be looking at the extra commands that you can be using with XOAuth just to do extra little bits and pieces. So let's get started. We've just done the first part of the XOAuth setup and connection, so we've been given an access token, an ID token, refresh. It's all there for us. But say, oh no, I forgot to add accounting.transactions to my scopes that I wanted to add. So let's just go, actually, tell you what, before we do that, here's a fun little one so we actually know what the names of all of our apps we have set up inside of XOAuth, okay? So let's just go XOAuth list. There we go, fantastic. I have XOAuth in there. I've got a client secret and its client ID. There's the current scopes and everything there. So let's add a new scope to it. So that will simply be XOAuth setup add dash scope. Now the client name is of course XOAuth for me because I named it that. And then the scope name, I want accounting dot contacts added. There we go. So there you go. You get a little output there saying, hey, here's all your new scopes and everything. Now, of course, if you do add the accounting.contacts scope and you're still using a previous access or and refresh token, that access token won't still won't automatically update to give you access to the contacts page, or contacts endpoint rather. So you will just have to connect again. So that will just be as simple as XOAuth connect. And if I had more than one, of course, I could select more from a list without down keys, but I'm going to hit enter. There we go, fantastic. I've already got 2 organizations selected because that's all I have on this user account. And there we go. I've been given a brand new set of tokens. Okay, so let's say I've accidentally mistyped a scope or something like that as well. We can just go back to here just to have it referenced so I know I'm not going to type it incorrectly. But let's add a new scope that's definitely wrong. Okay, so let's go XOAuth setup add dash scope XOAuth because that's my name, and scope name, let's just call it accounting dot blah. You know, that's definitely a scope we have access to. Oh, fantastic. We've now got accounting dot blah as well. So now if we try to connect, of course, we're going to, oops, no, don't just connect. You just want to go XOAuth connect with XOAuth. We're going to hit an error 500. Bang, there you go. Down the bottom here, it tells you what you've actually done wrong, invalid scope, okay? And let's just go XOAuth setup remove dash scope XOAuth because that's the name of my app inside of XOAuth, and then the scope name was accounting dot blah. There we go. It's now been removed. Fantastic. So let's say, oops, something's gone wrong. I need to update my secret. So let's just do that right now. Let's add another secret. Oh, there we go. We've got secret 1 and secret 2. Come back to here. I've copied that. I've got it currently sitting inside of my copy paste. XOAuth update dash secret. XOAuth. I believe that's right, isn't it? Double check. No, need to add setup in there. Silly goose. Now you see, you can get things wrong basically because I'm a fool when it comes to actually typing out things in command prompt. But either way, that's all right. If you ever talk to me over cases and whatnot, feel free to point out any spelling mistakes I've made. Copy out the secret. There we go. Right, as before, actually, now that we've accidentally added a new app, let's go XOAuth list. So now that we've got 2 apps listed inside of XOAuth, I want to delete my second one. So let's delete up paddy secret. So XOAuth delete, and how do you spell that one? ADTE. And are you sure you want to delete this? Of course I do. Yes, there you go, connection deleted. So list it, and I only have the one now. Fantastic. If you've got any other issues as well, you can run the doctor function, and everything looks good. Fantastic, thumbs up. That should really just be about it, in all honesty. Please let us know if you have any other questions, and we'll be more than happy to help. Happy APIing.